It seems like it's been raining for the past 2 months in Western Australia at the moment. I haven't been doing much on the cars lately. It's hard to get active out in the shed in this kind of weather. I decided today to tackle the center muffler that's still attached to the catalytic converter for the red car. I have removed one of these before. It's actually not that hard once you know how to do it. You just start by removing the bolts, holding the two clamps together. The difficult connection to break is actually this slip joint here. The other side breaks apart pretty easily. All I do is open it up with a hacksaw. Takes about 5 minutes. I didn't damage the catalytic converter pipes at all. Once you've split that apart, you can pull the entire middle muffler cleanly off that catalytic converter with no damage whatsoever. If you don't do this, you're in for a very hard time.